When I was single, I actually ended up eating at Chipotle over 500 times, and I found out only from my accountant when he looked at my financials, and he was like, is this a mistake? You ate 500 times at Chipotle? And I was like, well, it's lunch and dinner 10 times a week. Yeah, that makes sense. And I like Chipotle because I could get 100 grams of protein each sitting. When I was trying to get as many calories in as possible, I would have 2 tortillas, which were free. Each of those were 400 calories a pop. I would get a bag of chips, which was 700 calories. And then I would have a bowl that had double rice, double beans, double meat, which would be a pause double. So I'd go half and half chicken and steak because you get like 1.5 each time. And then I'd be like, actually, you know what? Let's make it a double. And then they would put another half and half. And when they do that, they usually give you like a 3/4. So it ended up being like a triple meat. And then I would have pico, lettuce, sour cream. And I did that every day. And it was just because it was cheaper for me than buying groceries. And so I did it that way and it saved me time.